Hello friends, today we will see the first demo of HTML programming. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Why it is used? It is used for creation of web pages. So let us start with the demo. To write down the HTML code, we require Notepad. So I have opened the Notepad over here. Inside this we will be writing down our code. Remember everything that every HTML code has to be written in the HTML and end HTML. This HTML can be written in small case, can be written in capital case also. End HTML is written as a / and then HTML like I have written over here. Let us give the title to this page. The title I am giving by title tag. What is the title? First HTML program. You can give your own title whatever you want and end this title by end HTML. End title. Always remember the tag is ended by the / and name of the tag. Now the contents of this tag will be written inside the body tag. So body and then end body I am writing. Inside this I will be writing welcome all. Now suppose I want to write down the line in between that. So I am just writing BR over here. So BR is the tag which will go to the next line. Now I am just writing welcome all. The first program of HTML. In between this, suppose I want to draw the horizontal line. So I will be using the HR. Now I want to save this program. To save the program, I am saving the program. Currently I will be saving it on the desktop itself. So on desktop, let us give the name as a demo HTML. Remember always that HTML program must be given explicit extension as a .html or .htm and then save this. How to run this program? I will just go to the Explorer. Go to the desktop where we have saved it and demo HTML is the file, and I'm clicking on this. I get the welcome all, then it has gone to the next line, then the horizontal line is present, program of HTML. Now where this title has gone to first HTML program. So this was our first HTML program, which is a demo program for HTML. Thank you so much.